Hello and welcome everyone. Steve here with TradeForexForProfit.com. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. We're looking at the pound US dollar on the 4-hour time frame this afternoon as we are now breaking through two levels. Okay, let's talk about that. This is a break, inside break, as well as just a break check. Okay, inside break check slash break check. So confluence again, which you're going to see quite often with our patterns that we trade because of the way that the market moves to a level, and then we're watching for a certain action to form, and sometimes those levels have confluence, okay, such as this one right here. Okay, so this was a breakout right here. This black candle breaks through the level. All right, as we progress across this white candle, and let me zoom in. When a candle closes on or within a pip of the level, I consider, and actually I can adjust this, bear with me 1 minute. Okay, so here's that breakout level. When the market closes at or within a pip of that level, which you see happen right here, I consider that broken. So this is a break back inside of where the market originally broke out of. Okay, it breaks back inside here, although it only closed within a pip or right on it. Okay, then what happens is we push back inside or back outside in this case, okay, to see if the market's going to reverse off of this level, off of this breakout level, forming a break retest, which would be a retest for the market to fall and fail, okay, at that level. But in this case, what happens is we move back and then we move this way. So this is an inside break check. Okay, it's said to break it, check to see if it's going to reverse, and then it breaks back this way. So that's the pattern. This is the actual spike signal. Got in on a little bit of a pullback. I'm going to T2 with that one, and there you go. Actually, you have pretty much a zone. I chose the outer zone just because this was a larger. Let me zoom in again for you, and roll over one. Okay, we have this push. This is the original high to the very left, okay, that you see across the top. And we move just above this one. We can expand that. It's within a couple of pips. So generally when that happens in the proximity of those two levels, then I will just go to either the closer one or the outer one, depending upon the size of the signal, the validity of the signal. And in this case, it was pretty valid, so I'm going to the outer one. And then I just round down. All right, so one other point to make as we push here. This level, I can extend this for you. Okay. This very same candle. Okay, this is a push point now. Here, it's a push point. As we return, we break out of this push point, which is a breakout. This candle is the breakout candle. There's the break check. Okay, so it's a break check of this push point. It's this very same setup is an inside break check of this breakout candle. So it's a kind of a confluence. All right, so yeah, T2, the outer extreme of that high zone. Okay. Okay, it's now Thursday afternoon, and our 2 times profit target was just triggered as the market is beginning to find resistance at this overhead level as expected. Pretty obvious. You don't have to be Captain Obvious to see that. We have 3 touches, but what's going to happen next, we don't know. Okay, but we can pretty much rest assured that when the market first hits this level, it's going to encounter some resistance. Whether this next candle just moves right through it or not is yet to be determined. However, we're out of this trade. The market touches the take profit was at 1.2483, and we moved to 1.2483.1. So it went over it just barely. This is the sell price you see. So the sell price just barely triggered it and then fell. So maybe would it have been a better idea to trade to the lower extreme of this zone? Well, hindsight, right? We still don't know. The market still might reach up and take out that high before it falls. But we're out of the trade. That's all that matters. And again, you have to, when you enter a trade, you have to look at what you're dealt at that moment in time. Okay, there's the hindsight doesn't work when you're getting into a trade, and we select our exit strategy when we enter. That's just part of it. You set the whole trade up and you follow through with it. Okay, you don't pick an exit later. That's dangerous. Okay, So in this case, with a powerful move like this, and not only, I noticed this after I recorded and I was looking at it again, we not only have confluence of what we talked about before, but we have this center band. This is also a break check of the center band. Okay, and that is actually one of the patterns that we trade. All right, so again, this is a perfect example of broken support acting as future resistance, and then being checked right here for the reversal. Okay, if you guys like what you see, come over, check us out, tradeforexforprofit.com. The link is down below. We have a free section for you. If you decide to move on from that, we will welcome you to the members area where we have a live forum, which is where everybody can interact in real time, post your setups, your questions, your ideas, and have real live feedback. Okay, I'll talk to you guys on the inside soon.